Hey kids, today I have an old ambulance. We took it apart already. And you can see that it lost its black paint.
It did.
On the bottom. And there's this a red thing that and the stuff that makes all the noise.
One of its lights and sirens.
Yeah. And here's the body of it.
Ooh, that looks in great shape.
The bottom. And here's the windshield from the windows.
Okay. Where's the body at?
Come over here and I'll show you. So we just painted it white. Here it is.
Wow. It looks pretty good.
We're going to paint the little details with the red paint.
Okay.
And the next day after that, we're going to paint the bottom part because that's where we stripped the light off.
Okay.
And then we're going to fix it back up to the normal show.
Okay.
And when it's done, I'll show you kids.
Okay.
Here,
Thanks for showing us the project.
So subscribe if you like this video.
All
If
right.
you want me to do another, then just
Subscribe.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Hi, kids. So, Dad.